When you put it that way. Are you a comedian on the side?
No, but quite, I'm wondering why you think it's a waste of money to have nursing come out to take care of your wound here.
Well, twice, but then I come here today, see?
Oh, you mean to have them come out today?
Yes.
Well, it just happened to fall on that day. But, you know, I think the fact that they have been coming out and taking care of this wound for you has allowed it to heal without becoming infected. So I think that's worth
Oh, definitely.
$1 trillion.
Yes,
personally.
at least.
Yeah. All right. So that looks great. That looks,
Oh, I just love you, doctor.
well, you know, a lot of it has to do with you doing what you needed to do as well. I'm going to tip you back just a little bit further here.
Oh,
Are you comfortable?
no.
No?
I'm claustrophobic, so I don't lie down very well.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll make this quick then. This is a different chair, and I can't raise it up. Okay, so we'll make it quick, but, all right. So this looks like the wound is completely closed at this point. So the goal is to never let this callus get that thick again.
So I'll be back.
Yes.
I've learned my lesson, honey.
All right.
So when do I come? Do you think I should come back every 3 months then, honey, or what? You tell me what. You're the doctor.
Well, at your first appointment here a few weeks ago, did you not stop and make your next nail appointment to trim nails and calluses and stuff?
Did I?
I believe
We'll
you
have to
did.
look, yeah. So having you come in more frequently will be able to keep this callus down so that it doesn't
Yeah.
get infected.
I am all
again.
for that, honey.
All right, I'm just going to smooth that down a little bit. I think it looks great.
Thank you.
Well, it's not me, it's you doing what you needed to do to get it healed.
Well, but you're the one that's scaring me.